talk about hospital and healthcare relocations. This kind of general overview. The second slide is my feeble attempt at comedy. During the conference call, we talked about that I had forwarded my PowerPoint to our marketing department. So I wanted to introduce you to our marketing department on this next slide. Two of whom you may not recognize. You will recognize, and one of whom you've probably not seen. But I think this is a really important category. I just wanted not to puff us up, but talk about some jobs we've done and jobs that are in the docket for us. Laguna Honda Hospital is about a $576,000 project. Been awarded a project for the fall, 450,000 square feet, which is about 600,000 in revenue. This is the part that I talked about. So we've got one more in the pipeline that starts planning in October for 2014. It's also $500,000. The point is that this is really great business. There's three parts of it: the FF&E, bring all the goods in, assemble it, distribute it, deliver it, install it. The movement itself, one of the hospitals I referenced has 1,900 people that we're moving, and then the decommission. That same hospital has 1,100 workstations and a million other things going on, and we're clearing the whole hospital out. Demographically, there's an aging population. This is a growing business. You'll see some slides in a minute. There's some seismic upgrade requirements everybody's got to adhere to. This is kind of a scrambled chart, but bottom line is that far right corner, it's heading up. Construction's heading up. It's going nowhere but more construction, more need for what we do. The second slide also shows that. It's only through 2007, but my guess is that last bar could have close to doubled between 07 and 13. So there's a ton of activity going on. This is probably the only category that I actively solicit because I'm so busy with everything else. The sources of business, there's a ton of different companies who sort of control the process, from the high-end construction management, the architects, and just healthcare transition companies, FF&E planners, the federal government, VA hospitals. We've all got VA hospitals. They're all being renovated. State and local government. City and counties of San Francisco and Sacramento currently are building $6 billion worth of new hospitals. So that all equates into stuff that we do. Many components of this: the handling in, the storage, the asset management. Each one of these we have pricing categories for. So if you guys have questions about, call me, because I've got pricing models that are historically correct and very profitable. The core move. We've all done the core moves. Move the technology, the contents, the pharmacies. Might be able to draft on Pacific Science for some of the controlled substances. HIPAA is, of course, important. Skim over that. Recycle, the decommission, recycle of all the goods, another revenue stream. I'm doing a military hospital. It's called DRMO. Have to inventory everything, and then they take it, and it just goes to the dock. So where do we go from here in terms of talking about it and then trying to, capture that business? It's taking the initiative to sell actively and really establishing those customers as folks that you want to go after. You have to learn the business. As I say, knowledge equals confidence equals success. When you can talk the talk, and it doesn't take long to talk the talk, you are recognized as the industry professional, and they draft on you to bring you in early. All the sort of the language that the OFCI, OFVI, OI, they're all different categories of the different materials and products that come in and how it's handled. Once again, more learn the speak, the initial outfitting, transition management, equipment planning, and of course FF&E. We all do that. FF&E, by the way, you need some kind of inventory control process. We use Windfall. What's in it for you guys? Higher volume, higher margin business. You become the expert, the go-to person, and you're the true partner for your clients. I'm involved with discussions now for projects that are as far out as 2017. Keep the pipeline full. To my point, these projects are 2 to 5 years out. I'm planning in January for a job that starts in September, and I've had probably 5 meetings. So, and P.S., I'm getting paid for all those meetings, part of that total number. Came to this meeting, I thought this looked like either Jim Carrey or John Clancy a few years ago. But anyway, just go out and do it. Thanks.